Hello everybody. This is the second part of turtle graphics tutorials. In this part, I'm gonna be explaining a bit more stuff on those graphic windows and turtle commands, whatever. Okay, so the first thing we need to learn is that we need to learn how to draw the very basic shapes. We still learn how to draw boxes, which can be like squares or some other diagrams, but also we wanna learn about how to draw circles and ellipses. So what I'm gonna do that over here. If I haven't told you, we're gonna actually do some commands to make it easier for us for the turtle graphics. Then inside the same string, we place this semicolon to start another command instead of making a new line. So firstly, I want to make sure that the pencil is up. I want to hit up, and I remember I told you that. I'm going to say home. I don't remember I told you that. What it does is I'll simply center the pen, and if it's down, I'll right. If it's up, I'll not right, as always. Okay? And I'm going to have also down to make sure it's down. Now right over here, we'll start by drawing as an example, a box. So I can start by drawing a box. A box simply contains an X and a Y. Well, a whole box with only one X and Y position. Alright, this is how it works. The X and the Y position for the pencil position is going to be one corner, like a box like this. The corner right over here is going to be the pencil X and Y, and the X and Y you give is going to be the corner right over here. So it's going to attach them so that will be a box, if that makes sense. So we'll tap a box and tap a X. Let me say, I don't know, well, let me give some random numbers. 300 and 1. I don't know what's that going to be, but so as you can see, it's pretty much like that. And well, as you see, when I simply resize the window, I'm gonna hit no main one. Okay. And so there's something. When I simply resize the window, all the drawings are gonna be lows. And this will always happen unless you type up at the end after you complete all this stuff for the drawing. Is that you want to type up flush. This is going to simply flush the drawing. So when resized, it's not going to make any difference. As you can see, it's resized and it's working fine. Okay. The other shape we want to learn is the circle. The circle is simply going to draw a circle, not an ellipse. Okay. A circle, you give it one argument or one value for it, which is going to be half of the, I don't know what it was named, but a circle, like a circle and some lines inside it. So you give it the position, its center point is going to be the pencil position, and then you give it half of the, what is it? I forgot. I totally forgot. I don't know. It's called starting with R. So yeah, I'm gonna type circle then as an example. 30. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna run. As you can see, the circle from the center until any corner right over here is gonna be 30 pixels. Okay, pretty simple. Now we want to go on ellipse. Ellipse simply is gonna center. Is gonna be where the pencil position. You give it a width and a height, and it's gonna draw an ellipse. Let's see, the width is 100 and the height is 50. Now let's see what's gonna happen. As you can see, it's right over here. Here's the center point, which is the pencil position when we centered it. The width going into the pencil position is exactly 100, and the height going exactly at the center pencil position is 50. Yes, it's 50. Now I want to tell you something. I told you in the previous tutorial on the back color and what it does. Well, these shapes are not filled. We haven't given it the option to be filled. Now any shape or most of the shapes, you tap after its name simply filled. What that does is that it will simply grow it filled with the back color you've selected. So right over here, I'm gonna go ahead and set my back color to blue and my color to red. Now notice that the outline is gonna be red and the filling is gonna be blue. You can also change the size for the outline by simply typing size, then an amount like 10. It's gonna be pretty huge. Like, that is ugly. Okay. So